What we're going to see now, we're going to see the transmission media. Okay, so that's what we'll be covering today. So what is a transmission media? Okay, and let's say for example you are sitting on one office here. Let's say this is a block, this one is block A, and this one is block B. Okay, and you perhaps want to send the information from block A to block B. Okay, so for you to send the information from block A to block B, okay, and this is gonna be what you're going to make use of, what transmission media you're going to use here. Okay, that's the simple definition of transmission media. So transmission media, it's actually the channel, okay, the channel that you use to transfer. So a channel that you use to transfer information. Okay, so that is what we call transmission media. Okay, and there are two different types of transmission media. Okay, which are, okay, and from there the two transmission media we have, it's guided media, okay, and unguided media. Okay, so I'm going to give you in simple term what does it mean guided media and what is non-guided media. Okay, so what we see here for guided media, we see physical, okay, physical connection. Okay, and here we see wireless connection for the unguided media. So it's actually invisible, if I can say in simple terms. This one are invisible. This one are invisible, and this side, it's visible. So in simple terms, we can call guided transmission media, it's where we can see the channel for the transfer of the information. Okay, and unguided, it's the one that we use for wireless. It's not visible by eyes. Okay, if I can say that. Okay, it's human eyes. Okay, so this is in simple term what we know from transmission media, and in electronic communication, and this can be our transmitter, and this one is for example a receiver, and we got our system. So we want to send the information from block A to block B. Okay, so we're going to use a channel or a transfer channel. Okay, and we have two types. Okay, so these are the types of transmission media. Okay, in simple term, this is what we see when we talk about transmission media. Okay, and what you can see here, we have two types, okay, of transmission media. We see the guided transmission media and unguided transmission media. And here, what you see here, they're all visible or physical, if I can say that. So they are physical, you can see the pipes for connection, cable for connections. So, and this one are invisible. so invisible, and not physical. Okay, and that's what you see here. Coaxial cable, it's actually the cable that you use. I'll show you now. Twisted cable, microstrip, and fiber optic, and this one. But for unguided media, we see radio wave, infrared, microwave. Okay, and for our section, we'll focus more into radio wave, for example. Okay, that will be our main focus.